Hello everybody, welcome to the video. So today in this video I am going to teach a very basic volleyball skill, which is the passing. I mean the basic passing in volleyball. So for this I am also having a subject with me to whom I will teach this skill, and with that subject you also try to learn the skill. So this whole video is going to be very interesting. So please stay tuned to learn the skill, and it's going to be very interesting. Thank you. So the skill for the day is basic pass in the volleyball. So what is the use of basic pass? So let's discuss when do we use this technique. Okay. So suppose when the ball is in opponent's court, okay, or some opponent spiker is hitting the ball towards our team or towards our court. So the very first response will be from your side. The first man to receive the ball will obviously receive it by pass. Okay, by pass. Okay. And the first man will receive the ball by pass, and then his responsibility is to pass back the ball towards his another teammate. Okay, so that towards his another teammate, or it will be better if he can pass the ball directly to the setter. Okay, to the setter of the game. If he is able to pass the ball directly to the setter, then he should pass it to the setter, so that the setter can make the ball for the spiker, and the spiker can hit the spike, or according to the situation, the spiker can also react. Okay. So this is the use of this technique in the game. So now let's proceed forward and learn this skill. I will be teaching this skill to my subject Riya, and she will be doing it and perform. And after that, at the last, we will also do. I will show you one drill, and my subject will also perform one drill, that how to make this technique more good. And slowly by performing that drill, one can also improve. Okay, so let's get started. So as I have told you that the subject is going to be with me. So meet my sister Riya. So she is our subject for the video, and today I am going to teach her the very basic volleyball skill, which is passing. So let me now perform it by parts first. So I will do it. So Riya, go there. So when I will tell you to give me the ball, just give me, okay, here on the hand. So what basically we have to do, you have to look carefully. So what we basically have to do here is, while receiving the pass, what we have to do, we have to stand like this, in this posture like this, and while standing we have to receive the ball from this part of the hand. Okay, from this part of the hand we have to receive the ball, like whenever the ball is coming towards us, or like if we are standing at the libero position or at the backward position of the court. Okay, so we have to receive the ball from this part of the hands, from this part. Okay, this part, between this part of the hands we have to receive the ball, and we have to pass it to our to the setter, or your or the spikers as well, or to the other players. Okay, so what we basically have to do is, like let me demonstrate you first how to do it. Yeah, passing the ball, go a bit away, go there, like this, something like this. Okay, so as I have received it, so let me show you the correct posture of the hands. So how to make this posture. So suppose if you are a righty, okay, so if you are a right hander, then your right hand should be placed below your left hand like this, and then above your right hand, your left hand should be placed like this. Okay, just take a look carefully. 1 2, okay, 1 2, and then again your right hand should be the thumb of your right hand should be placed above your left hand like this, and the two thumbs should be placed like this. Okay, so this should be your posture, and you should be standing like this. Okay, take a side view, and then while receiving the ball, as I have told you, that you have to receive it from this part of your hands. Okay, this part, between these parts of your hands. Okay, so Riya, let me show it again. Like this. Yes, again, do it again. So this way you have to pass receive the ball, and then again you have to pass it to the another player. So now let's take a demo. Riya, come here. So as I have told you how to make your hands, so it was what was the first step that I told you? So if you're a right hander, then place your left hand behind the right hand, then like this should be your hand posture. Okay, like this, and your hand should be straight. And from where you have to receive the ball? You have to receive the ball from here. Like if someone is passing, like someone is throwing this ball towards you, then you have to receive this ball from here, and then you have to pass it to your player. Okay, like suppose you are here, just take the position like this, Yes. And like if I'm passing you the ball, then how will you give it back to me? Come on. Good. Again. Do it again. Good. Nice. So it was the. So this was the procedure. Okay. How we have to do it. So let's do it again. So Ria, are you ready to demonstrate this again?
Yes.
Okay. So do it again. This time you come with my place. So I'm giving you the ball. Just pass me again. Okay. Pass me back. Very good. Again. Do it again. Do it again. As you can see how she is making her hands and from where she is receiving the ball. Come on, dear. Do it again. Very good. So this way one can one can receive the ball. Okay, and one can receive the ball and pass it to the other teammate. So it was the demonstration. So as we have discussed that how to receive the ball, and I have also teach my subject that how to receive the ball, and she has shown you that how we can receive the ball. Okay, so now let's see one drill to practice this skill. Okay, and to make it more perfect. So here let me perform the drill first. How to do it? Like if I am doing it like if you are having a wall at your home or at some any space near your home. If there is a wall, then you can practice this drill of passing. Like you can take the ball and like this, the way I am doing, you can hit the ball to the wall, and the ball will obviously hit it back to you and again. So and this way you can practice. So let me demonstrate you how to do it. Like this. So as you have seen me that how I was practicing. Okay, so it must be so if you will practice this way, the skill, so you can perform the skill or the drill, you can perform the skill in the match more carefully. So now my subject will do it for you. So yeah, come stand here. So since my subject is a beginner, so for her practice, one should stand near the wall and check her. Okay, so yeah, are you ready? Okay, are you ready to receive the ball? So hit it back. I will hit the ball on the wall. Then it will come back to you again. Okay, and after that you have to hit the ball again to the wall, and you have to play it with the ball. Okay, ball. Come on, start. Very good, very good. So since she is a beginner, so she must be facing some problem. But slowly, when she will be more good in the skill, then she will improve. Okay, slowly she will improve. So if you are a beginner, then you must face some problem. Okay, while playing. So let's do it again. Come on, dear. Try it again. Stand here. Take the posture. Place your hands well and do it. Come on. Very good. Good. Very good. So this way you can also practice and you can also improve upon your this drill. Okay. So with this we come to the end of our video. Thank you very much for being with us till the end of this video, and thank you very much.